Our bodies work like machines with different pieces working together to ensure everything runs smoothly. Insulin and glucagon are two of these pieces. These hormones help balance the glucose or blood sugar in our bodies. Glucose gives us energy and comes from the food we eat. When we consume food, our bodies break down the food into many different parts, including glucose. The glucose then moves through our bloodstream, but too much or too little glucose can cause problems. Insulin and glucagon are two of the hormones that work to keep our blood sugar levels balanced and healthy. But how does it work? Remember what happens when we eat? Food is broken down into glucose. This triggers the pancreas to release the hormone insulin. Insulin helps move the sugar from the blood into the cells that need them, like muscle and brain cells. Over time, this action will decrease our blood sugar to a healthy level. Insulin also helps liver, muscle, and fat cells to store any extra glucose from the bloodstream, which keeps it from building up to unhealthy levels. Great! The system even works if your blood sugar levels start to decrease for some reason. If this happens, the pancreas releases glucagon, which comes to the rescue. Glucagon tells the liver to release the glucose it has stored up and make new glucose to be released back into the bloodstream. Ta-da! The glucose is released into our bloodstream and we use it for energy. After that, the cycle starts over again, with insulin helping our cells to use glucose and to store any excess. This perfect harmony between insulin and glucagon keeps our bodies happy and healthy. However, sometimes this harmony is disrupted by a disease known as diabetes. A body with type 2 diabetes still makes insulin, but the cells have become resistant to insulin's work. The body must produce more insulin. The muscle and fat cells have a harder time absorbing glucose from the bloodstream. This causes the blood sugar levels to increase. Exercise and certain medications can make our cells more sensitive to insulin. This sensitivity helps the cells to absorb more glucose. People with type 2 diabetes must monitor their blood sugar levels regularly. It is important to be screened for diabetes if you have a family history of diabetes or once you reach 45 years old. For more information about our research to find the triggers and new treatments for chronic diseases such as diabetes, sign up for news about diabetes clinical trials. Thanks for watching. From your friends at Pennington Biomedical Research Center.